Welcome to Pass and Move special here at Papa Fields Stadium. It's Highlanders taking on Chicken Inn. As always, Pass and Move special proudly brought to you by Benaya Foods and our new partners, SCR Collections. Machida shop.
Puta saufa.
Amna inswi. Ndaba ndobani?
Lo Vikizita moyo.
Vikizita.
Unkoslathi Ndlovu.
Bani?
Unkoslathi Ndlovu.
Awu Ndlovini shop. Amna shop Machida. Highlanders versus Chicken Inn. Ibona njani game namhla?
Hayi game yanamhla limnandi. Njalo engutsho ngithi mina namhla siyawina. 2-0. Kumbe nje kungaba thina singaba le 2 Chicken Inn 1. Kumbe 2-0.
Uvumelana Ndlovini?
Ya mina mvumelana kakhulu. Yabona iChicken Inn iteam ejayele kusihlupa kakhulu vele ijayele ukusidla landlani kodwa hayi kade siyayidla. Hayi siyayichaya.
Yachanga.
1-0.
1-0. Kade ngabe ivechiwe nje usupport team. Ivechiwe ikithe nje ayibonanga.
Oh ikithe nje asikayiboni thina.
Bathi khona eClubhouse.
Kodwa eClubhouse. Yeah, uthi asikavakatsheli khona lokho esigqoke izinizane zakudala zonizana.
Yeah, support team bathi $30.
Wow, wathi $30. Kulungile sisayithenga.
Shava brother. Awu smart butchers hey.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Kanti support likhulu.
Siyayisupport team ngoba lengwani lelayo ivela khona ngale.
Alright Machida sibona after game uwonto 2-1 yaphuma. Le 1-0 yaphuma. Shama Machida.
Sibonga ziyakhipha kithi namhla. Inkukhu vele siyazicutha obvious. Siyazicutha sisijayele kakhulu. Nami ndayi 3 points ngiyethi esikhwameni.
Mdala singayiziphelele last week obunye wayethi namhla isimba vele sayibulala kwaphuma abantu sebenqapha la.
Hayi kuyatholakala la umdlalo. Kodwa Vespia sithi siyanqoba thina kuphela. Ngoba yithi hayi ngasilabe BF sesabi lutho. Konke ukhaya kodwa but namhla siyathatha 3 points.
Hayi alright nqoba sihlangana after bora mbona ukuthi prediction yakhe yaphuma yini.
Thanks Budi.
Shabdobe. After baba.
Afa Budi izithini lapho.
Amnani shabo mina khamba.
Haya kula lutho ndoda amaqhayisi.
Nasi game sifikile Highlanders versus Chicken Inn. Ubona njani game namuhla?
Ndoda idabi ndoda kuyafiwa but predictions zami 2-1.
Iphe wena?
Yeah, obviously nje mina support iBoss.
So awuyakwanisa ukusupport iBoss but wena.
Asinawo iBoss 2-1.
Uyakwanisa ukusupport yena but wena ungwebhora ubonti
zisithi. Hayi. Angeze abasoze baphuma lula.
But mbona phela atha bamchila uphandle nango lapho yambona. I-defense yabe right.
Vela abafana bayaxika kulamalanga but sathini iBoss hayi ikokhona iBoss
asimthama masibona after bora sibonti i-prediction yakhe yaphuma yini
after bora sikhona la but 2-1 yakutshela
swi Haman
nice esobona Highland team yezolonke madoda
Highlanders versus Chicken Inn. What's your prediction?
I think mina Highlanders yawina 2-1.
Highlanders wina 2-1
prediction ya
mbana hlohla
kuyahlohla uManinja obvious yahlohla ibrace namuhla uManinja ngiyafaka imali yonke kuManinja namuhla yachaya ibrace
alright uhlohla
hayi akasozayekela uManinja vele obvious bora phakathi
alright asibonana after bora kwa sharp my bro sama 2
Unjani Bungani?
amna sharp Highlanders versus Chicken Inn.
Yeah, local derby we're looking at the best result esingayithola. Namuhla nje. Nxa sidliwe i1-1.
Uthi ukade ukudliwa.
Nxa sidliwe i1-1. Anti yawazi ukuthi abantwana nxa lingabakhulisa bayahlupha. Bayahlupha so bafuna ukukhuliswa benze. Alright.
Come again, Kaboza on the line. Nice presentation last week. Chicken Inn 1 against 0.
Wethu wayibambayo.
I got it.
Wethu wayibambayo.
I got it correct.
Namuhla cala namuhla.
I'm coming for Boso. Other away, away. We are expecting is 1-1 derby.
1-1.
Well, 1-1.
Sivumelani Khabo. Sivumelani Khabo. Nxa sidliwe i-draw.
We're expecting 1-1 derby. 1-1 derby. Because it's a derby, this one. 1-1 derby. Wata kako, makopa kako. 1-1 derby.
Alright, Machida sibona after bora sport alpha.
Last time I predicted nice one.
Wethu wayibambayo.
Nice one.
Emzini baby. Ex-wife kambonisa. Funa bekwazi ukuthi besepha.
Walibona ngaphi ibhora lingena extra time in your life?
Zero 90 exact.
Phela 90 exact.
But ibone njani game?
Mina into ekhala ngamasuthu nje. They need to stop.
Uyasitha
Sasifuna ibhora nje yazi. We want ibhora. Barumvelo seshap yazi sekhulile. Bese kumbona
kodwa mina at least bebelebe ngoba besi attack. Uref wathi pre.
Highlanders, they don't deserve to win this.
So it will be right.
A draw, it was a bonus to Highlanders. They don't have a direction where they are going. Akukhanyi ukuthi siyenzani Highlanders, they deserve to lose kuchikenini. Yes, but unfortunately it draw is enough. But when it comes to football, we expect to the Highlanders when Papa Phillips, we have to expect more than a domination from everyone. But the chicken in the dominant Woodland Highlanders. Unfortunately, we got a draw, which means a draw is enough to us in Bulawayo as Highlanders fans. Thank you very much.
I came ibikahle sibukele litepi ibikahle sibili kodwa hey ukhayindi umona amatheza sisiba number kathesi. Angazi kunzima iback four yethu yehlile uqalisa ibhora emuva. Ibhora vele mele siqalise emuva. Sisiya phambili silanda midfield siya ku strike force manje thina nxa ibhora siqalise emuva ukhipha ngeliqalisayo ubypassa midfield because uyali launcha ibhora launcha le siya kuma strikers nxa launcha kuma strikers ibhora midfield yethu isidlala second field so meaning midfield isisiba vele akusela lutho akusela creativity esikhona labantu so i-defensive yethu nxa singaba le back four kwanza uqalisa ibhora emuva because umbesto ngiyokwanza uqalisa ibhora emuva yethu nxa ngiyaganyela mina ngiyongcono because laba abanye bayi-3 laba abanye amfuba qamba amabizo abakwanisa uqalisa ibhora emuva i-back four yethu so kind must go kind must go now kind must go because kusela bhora esilibukelayo lapha kind must go.
Uvumelana naye?
Yebo mvumelana naye. Ukhayini sicela ukuthi simkhululeni isikhathi akhe sesichayile. Asifuni ukuthi yabona the only coach that I always remember mina i-Man supporter uFerguson is my coach. The rest is rubbish.
So wemani so udliwa ukujwayela celebrate.
Udliwa ngiyakwazi but not udliwa njalo lokho. Lokho ibuyelele lokho.
Mina ngikhala ngakho kuphela eBhosani ukuthi abafana badlale ngepassion. Abafaka inhliziyo zabe gaming abafana abafaka inhliziyo yabona ummeli nxa sekantsha sometimes even edlisa sometimes but nxa sekantsha ubona sedlala ngani ngenhliziyo ibhora even ulicaba even uyinani you have to put your heart in ube kwazi udlalela ama fans wonke la 1000 abezobukela la ngiyadlalisa imali zethu mahara. I just need them to play with passion even yazi ungadlala ngenhliziyo mdala you can win.
But namuhla overall ibone njani game?
Hayi game uyibingazathi imiqanda yona ngokwayo hayi angazi mina game last week we played better. Why? Those guys were playing well. Ichikenini ngathi team engathi ayidlali as good as esasidlala last week and so lathi kusenze saba yazi kuma sports kunjala if you play against a very good team you tend to play well but ungadlala le team engazathi weak lawe so mina abafana ngithi ukuthi badlale kuba hayi it's a draw 1 point is okay but ngifuna that passion even bedlala le team weak and kabadlale with what with their hearts in yikho ngifunayo kuphela mina
anyakuze mabraba
hayi game akeli mayisi hayi game be right mdala but umuntu esimtshela ngoref
wenzeni uref
mdala igame amela iphe 90 minutes exactly in 90 minutes yathi bisolisa awu game la edele edele ba ngo 2 minutes or 1 second la lathi besayivuma ithe first half ne i-first half lana la iphele wrong
alright ashu ref asiphakathi uma players igame yona uyibone njani
hayi game namhla ibiqanda hayi game iqanda mdala namhlanje awula game edikhona vele namhlanje
so it is a good result
hayi so good abe sisola at least lathi ngathi wasenze i1 lani yaba right
para sahlohlanga kuyatholakala ama sports
hayi khona kuyatholakala ama sports but hayi asibasola abafana badlalile kahle sibini abafana abethu vela sinyesibasola but kodwa i1 na i0 i-draw lana is not right la
isokhuluma sibini ngenhliziyo lapha hayi namhla ukhayindo namhla sasathe siphekeleni namhla hayi namhla hayi uone kusaphulo principle bese ngasafiki phambili ngapha iphora bese liphelela le hayi ngasabhuli nxa ukuthi kuyabona ngani kuyamkhama hayi ukhayindo namthi sithonisile nami ichicken ibingekho thina sikhuthila ama chance abafana bebedlala kuhle sibili but hayi ukhayindo hayi kazama ukungcono kathesi kazama ngoba nje bathi simozi ichayiwe la 3 iye buyayo futhi la so kazama ukungcono bakhe hayi phoso sibili hayi uGunman asidingele lo Gunman oyi1 ozafida abafana laba ukuthi behlohle ngoba thina sila umuntu okwanisa ukutsaya vele igedi oyazi igedi kahle uRausha at least uzamile uyazama lo maninja but angazi ukuthi usuka confuse ke ngapha hayi ngicela isicelo esihle ukuthi athole umuntu oright lapha phambili lapha
yakuzwa Butcher but idraw yona is it a good result
idraw yona right but anti yabona lento adomele sijabule njengamahlolanyama phela anti amathima akobulawayo siyangise futhi kube idraw futhi adomele sijabule lathi
uyibone njani game bona nje umuntu wechicken
mina nje umuntu wechicken I'm happy because sibe le draw bese away so we get go right so I'm happy for that
but overall the game ibone njani Postori
the game was a 50-50 both teams ama chances to neutralize but bahlukile bonke you know derby is all of each only tough derby but abafana bagrow bonke they know each other badlala into ezifananayo batshona bonke banatha bonke so they know how umuntu weakness kalo ilapha nalapha so
it draw is a fair result
yeah for us thina bese away it's a fair result so sizobabona after sisuka lapha I think sesihlala la Highlanders sesibaqedela ke sesibatshengisa thina siku home eBF
Sham Postori yako Sham my friend mara ngikade lo yabuye Butcher siyamusha
Duda
ubone njani game
the game was good but the management especially the 90-minute mark there was no added time the referee will stop the game on 90 minutes straight but there was injuries etang is cut
asibalekele uRay for it singene igame yona ibinjani
I game be well balanced I cannot complain but I think us as a so we just need to make a few adjustments because kulama players especially number 26 he was very good but bamkhiphile I don't know why
so substitution ka coach
yeah a substitution ka coach was very poor today
uvumelana la yini
Hatebe number 1 I always follow you on Facebook but akazembone one video of myself right today it was like this guy again yeah it's me my brother it's like these guys baby practice abonke Monday to Saturday because lisuka ku boss liya ku chickenini lisuka ku chickenini liya ku boss but I'm sorry to say this there was no football today bengela bora yiko kwenzakala against the Rentals Iko okwenzakala against the Rentals uKhayinde lama players akhe they are not consistent how can you win ngeWest Day ngeSandu udlala idoti what is that
engayigame ibizima for le chicken iderby phela
no akula game ezima why should we strike ku chickenini strike ku yata strike ku Rentals why can't you beat all those teams we're the biggest club in the world, in the country. We are Highlanders. We have to show that we are Highlanders. Why should you play rubbish at home? Why should you do that?
Igame idlaliwe but ucoach yena uyazilahlisa eteamini yakhe ngisabhuli ngaba ama players laba sabhulelo and igame akade abayade yabona iteam yakadlala ngayo phakathi kweviki it was good and namhlanje kona bana akwenzile ukutshintsha utshintsho lwakhe uhlalo always etshintsha ikoza menza umsebenzi ucine phelwa ngumsebenzi ngoba ama supporters anje ziyatshintsha asime ngikhuluma ngama supporters akhuluma ukuthi ukwenza kwa utshintsha ama players yiko kwenza ukuthi njani i-team ingabe le power asikhulumi kube ngayo kwathi but ngendlela sedliwa ngakhona lathi indlela siyacela ukuthi indlela yakhe la ivuleka ahambe kibe ekhaya
ngiyakuzwa my brother wona kudala lokho ufuna ukuthinga igame asikhulume ngegame right igame uyibone njani
yabona mfowethu mina iHighlanders ngiyayithanda ngingumntwana weHighlanders ngikhulela lapha koBulawayo ngingubhudi kaRay Lunga uRay Lunga samgxotsha njengomna wethu sathi ayibhora kaliboni but ucoacha wethu as a team as ama supporters eHighlanders and uKhayinde uya kubhayizi ukuthi angaba le winning team yakhe enhle uyabuye ezoyitshintsha koBulawayo nxa sebuye egumeni leli gume elikhulu elisabisayo elihloniphisayo mwathina sikhangele sibuya singama supporters eHighlanders and sicabanga ukuthi uzabuye le winning team yakhe leyo ubuye layo ngale sivele manika sizodlala ngayo la but ezobuye ezoyitshintsha
utshintshe bani
utshintshile team yethu ayisiyo le sidlale ngayo that day umshora engekho
umshora athi thoya kuma trials
uma-tries wakhe ngale but thina nxa sibuya ku-Facebook page yethu sithe silayo umshore uzabe ezodlala bese kuhamba kuma-tries.
Bekulo mshore ubhuti wakhe phela uMason.
uMason kayisuye simkhangeleleyo thina ayisiye esimthangazelelayo thina sithangazela umunye wangikhona lwana nguyosidlalela igame elihle sizobona uKhaindezo but kuma-substitute uKhaindo wethu kasichaze uyasidisappointa sithembile ukuthi thina sizaba le winning team esibuyelayo sivele kuyawina le singabuyela sesizodliwa sizimbe sizodrawa asikujabuleli lokho.
Masudi uvumelana naye?
Mina oqala ngithi le rubbish uKhaindo sidlayisa irubbish asidliwa ngokuthi siyadliwa uKhaindo uyehluleka at first namhla bekuyiziphofu zodwa zidonsana iChicken very feel iIslanders iseyafa worse because look at ama substitution uKhaindo uthe a keeper the moment a keep Prince a keep Magnon kwase kwafa zange sasukuma. Remember Harare sasidlalela phansi zange sasukuma. Remember uKhaindo is a coach engucoach njalo uyehluleka abafana bakuthi bafake endaweni zabo. Yazi we are tired and we are fed up ngoKhaindo. Kumbe akula kunye umcoach wavela ngaka uKhaindo bakithi esizwisa ubuhlungu obungaka. Wavela ngaka bakithi celani executive lisusele uKhaindo. Please sesicela khangelani iChicken ifile uKhaindo ufile khangelani manje. As a coach Zwana wena mangu driver uyakwazi bathi iHighlander iskorokoro ne ezi udrive iskorokoro lawe nanzelela ukuthi awuchaya ama potholes.
Ungachaya ama potholes okuvini.
Ungachaya ama potholes ubulala team yethu. Subulala isimoto. Ukhandi uyangena ama potholes uyenzani? Uyabona inkabi uyabulazo Brawlima uyabona? Inkabi uyabulazo ulima. But ungahluleka inkabi ukuzifaka ukuthi lenge umfolo lenge yani. Uyachaya amabhanga. uKhaindo sithayela amabhanga asakwazi indima ihambi ngoba inkaba asoze endaweni zayo. uKhaindo kahambe. Please kahambe ngesindebele kahambe. We are tired. Hanjobona semfona we are tired.
Uvumelana naye?
Hayi mina vumelana naye. uKhaindo is failing his substitutions. I-team iyabihamba ngendlela efake abantu ababulala itempo egame. uKhaindo we think sesifuna someone who can move that team, who can move that train. I-team ihambe lana because umuntu engenza mistake doesn't mean ukuthi umuntu usemele sacrifice ukungena abanye abantu. uKhaindo is failing this team.
Lapho khala ngobani ngubani wamsacrificeayo?
Hayi siyakulo Arthur. Arthur sacrifice you. Yes, he did a mistake twice. We accept that as fans. Mistakes are there in football. Mistakes move on. We move on. Sidlale ibhora umuntu yaboniswa ukuthi hayi ungayenzi so. There are upcoming stars abafana labana. Kabatshele a positive mind, a positive start bedlala ibhora kuhle abafana labana.
Ngiyakuza bhuda. Mani qale ngoDlovini.
Ishapotas, Ishaprawa. Into mina ngikhangaro yeIsland ucoach wama striker asila. uAshen Saw is old. And ungakhangela front lapha nani ibhora leIsland lifa phambili. Information eka coach wama striker njani ifile. Ubungakhangela omanager they failed to communicate. Understand that? I-communication ayikho into yokuqala abafundiswanga. To place a ball and uthi bekhuluma ukuthi main they failed to do that. Ucoach wama striker asila.
Ke kulomsindo phela enxe kwesikhathi yabungazwanga.
Vele into leyenziwa ku training Putas. Ucoach wama striker njani asila. And uAshen Saw is too old. Asimfuni lapha. Ubekhamini Putas ngiyakudala.
But ubehambela ama legends ubengeke.
Ungakhangela vina ama draw ethu lana. You are failing to go. Ibhoreti liyafa phambili. Ucoach wama striker njani is a failure. uAshen Saw ibhoreti lifa phambili. And abafana labani ibhora bayalazi kodwa abanjani abafundiswanga la understand amachitable so Ashen Saw one is failing. Simele sidinga ucoach one or striker so fundisela i-communication how to play.
uKhaindo so right.
No, uKhaindo angeke play say isiphama so la sekhulile Putas sekhulile understand into mina sibe yasini esi ama supporter eIsland asikelele usebenzisa amacoach akudala.
Hayi but andunithethisile ngekhithi ngiyabo.
Uthe ikhithi njani?
Uthe ikhithi impi.
But iyo bele team.
Ayisiyo esithandayo leyi. Ngabe bayisekelele sabala leyi. Le ikhithi leyazi.
But amadoda yi team ikhithi ayelethi.
Bungani ikhithi le yiyo eHighland.
Yeah, quality. But singene game uyibone njani?
No, igame anti asidingeni umuntu ozahlala phambi kwe defense. Singa anti sile 1 million eka Sivayo. Asitholeni umuntu ozahlala phambi kwe defense, singathola umuntu ozahlala phambi kwe defense. I think sizadlala ibhola elingcono without blaming uKayindu labo agent saw and all those things anti. iHighland yona ibhola layo limnandi liyakuthabisa but alila result. Ungakhangela Bungani kathesi nxa sikhangele thina bekumele nxa ulibukele ibhola lana besithi abantu bengahamba so kumele ikhaya ngahamba igodi lesana njani
ngela muntu
livulekile. So igodi njani alithole umuntu
kanjani igame sizwa ke
igame ibihamba kahle kodwa hey akuzwakala ukuthi kwenzakalani abafana badlala njani kwenzakalani phakathi sabe sesingasakwazi sa understand ukuthi kwenzakalani sabe sikhangelela ukuthi igame iwine but ucina usubonke ekucineni kuba ngama draws abafana saba understand kahle shem asaba understand kahle sabe sizo support i-team ukuthi win but i-draw level ayisuthisi kahle.
Ngiyakuzwa siswami but ebhoreni kule lose kule win kule draw into ezitholakala
but by the way esiyenzakala ngayo asigcina thina ama supporters ngasa understand ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Sharp my sister.
Omunye wakhona wabomshore lo uyahamba emazweni. That means it dip besingakafuna ukulitshela lina ama supporters eHighland Czech Republic in that league. So umshore is going Czech Republic but we won't disclose the name of the club but besicela ukuthi laphana the depth of Highlanders kube lo muntu ohlalayo phambi kwa defense. We won't blame Kayindu, we will just give an opinion. Ngoba sengixoxa uKayindu kathesi thina njengeHighland asila coach. Ungakunanzelela asila coach akula muntu ozafuna uzohlupheka lathi koBulawayo.
Bara ama coach akhona ungozo ukhona labana wenza kuhle eGwanda uluphahla la umntwana weHighland yakwazi umbiza ama coach mani ubeke ukhona labana uBulawayo Chiefs ngabantu bonke abantwana beHighland lehle ukubiza ucoach bana lawo nxa uthi lithi uKayindu sedlekini.
Asehluleki nxa sikhangela bonke abafana bona labana isandla sabo ngesikakayindu. Isandla sabo ngesikakayindu bakhuliswe nguKayindu ngabafana bakaKayindu. The way they work and the way they operate is always the Kayindu style of which we would love to have a local boy like Kibeke or Josta enjani kwaHighland. But we are not ruling Kayindu out. uKayindu wathesa I think we need time with him but we have given him a lot of time.
Mfuthe liqiniso Kayindu sehluleka la angifuni ukukhuluma manga butwa Kayindu sehluleka la.
So what's the solution for Highland going forward njoba likhala nge draw le chicken
i-draw lesiyakhala ngayo vele because uKayindu sehluleka ngenxa yokuthi sehluleka i-strategy ngasela strategy uKayindu sehluleka uKayindu. So we need another coach. Kayindu last season he told us ukuthi njani he still building the team and this season he still building the team. Ngesime khona asingesimele ukuthi uKayindu still building every season we build enye team. Hayi asikuvumi khona.
Hayi
we need a win.
Ngiyakuzwa Butcher Zama hayi
consistent win over win. Uthi kusasa sidrawile kusasa siluzile kusasa siluzile akula consistency khona apha ike singakufuni khona funa iconsistency kusasa sidrawile kusasa siwinile kusasa siluzile nasifuna ukuthi space lokho sina every match we need a win every match we need a win as iHighland yabona butwa.
Ngiyakuzwa my brother sharp match za sharp digare so sharp. It finished at Papa Phil Stadium, Highlanders 0, Chicken Inn 0. It's been another exciting episode of Pass and Move special. Please like, subscribe and comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching.